Welcome back, everybody. It is the 3-month countdown to Halloween. We have very little time left. I've got a lot of stuff to cover with you today, including our fun giveaway. But we do need to make the most of our time, so I'm going to try and get through this quickly. I did want to start the video, though, with my monthly shout-outs to my Patreon team. If you're interested in joining my Fright Club, be sure you check out the Patreon link in the description below. It's just a way that you can help support the channel. Including such fabulous people as April Johnson, who is my brand new patron for July. So thank you for joining the team, April. I really appreciate it. And she joins other fantastic folks, such as Bev of Spooky Bev. We're going to take a look at her channel here in a moment, because I do like to, show you what my patrons who have YouTube channels are up to. So stay tuned for her here in a minute. We also have Craig Thomas, who is a 1-year-long patron now, which is unbelievable. Craig was my first patron. Thank you very much, Craig, for sticking with me for all this time. Then there's also Carla, Perea, Allison, Waldron, Gareth Frewer of Create at Home with G, CareyAnn Thomas, Shannon Fredrickson, Prince Alarming 85, Teara, Stephen Miles, and Annie Jones of Indie Annie Jones. Again, Bev, Gareth, and Annie have YouTube channels, so let's go ahead and take a look and see what they've been up to this past month. All right, let's go ahead and let Spooky Bev get us in the Halloween spirit with her latest video. She has done an at-home store walkthrough. I do love at-home, and we have explored them to death, but Spooky Bev has got a great take on hers, and she does something that I know I fail at doing a lot, and that is telling you guys prices on things. I know I'm terrible at that. But be sure you check out Spooky Bev and her walkthrough. I'm sure we'll be seeing lots more as we get closer to Halloween. We also have Create at Home with G, who does lots of crafting videos and decorating and decor and so forth. He's on a bit of a hiatus still. Looks like we haven't seen anything from Easter, but he has so many videos. Be sure to check it out and send him some good thoughts. And then last up, we have Indie Annie Jones here. Indie Annie Jones doing Christmas in July. Can you believe it? Anyway, I'm not going to give her too much of a hard time because she's a patron, but come on, Christmas. Anyway, so she's got a Christmas in July video and then a Plaid Products video here. Again, she's an ambassador for Plaid Products, and I don't honestly know all of what Plaid is, but it is like a paint product line. So great if you're a crafter. Make sure you check out her channel. And then she does fun crafts like this Christmas in July paper bag, which I think looked amazing. You can make these easy to make. I don't know what you call them, just like they're Christmas decorations, kind of like little starbursts. All right, thank you again to April and the rest of my patrons. If you're interested again in joining my Patreon team, be sure to check out that link below. It truly helps support the channel and all of these giveaways, which we are going to be getting to in just a minute, but I did have one thing that I wanted to show you first. I got a couple of things in the mail. The first is from Art Lady Blunser. She is a long-time subscriber to my channel, and she has actually won 3 of the giveaways. The very first one and a couple of other ones, they're completely random. She must be one of the luckiest people in the world. But she sent me some nice stuff in the mail, starting with this envelope with her own artwork with little pumpkins. I love that. And I'm sorry, Art Lady Blunser, I was going to do a whole separate video on this, but it got messed up and it's already opened. So here we are. There is the fun artwork. I might cut that out, put it in a little frame. We'll see. But she's also sent us some more artwork. We have a postcard. I'm going to read you the postcard, but she does want to know when I'm going to bring my mom back into the videos. If my mom lived anywhere around here, I'm sure I would. She also sent me a business card, kind of cover up her information there, because I'm not sure if she wants me sharing it with the world, but if she does, I'll make sure to put a link to her contact information in my video description. But she writes a letter here that says, oh, I forgot the main thing. She sent me this awesome looking coin. And it says, this coin is supposed to be a replica of the cache of coins found on Matagorda Bay near Corpus Christi, Texas. I just thought with your pirate theme, you'd get a kick out of the coin. I'm also sending a business card that showcases the type the style I normally create. Surrealism is my all-time favorite style, and it's called Calm, Cool, and Collected, a simple painting with a twist. A woman staring out a window, nothing exciting until you finally see the huge, full, window-sized snake. Believe it or not, I got this painting back after my parents passed away, and then I found out that several family members and many friends all claimed the painting. I didn't think anyone but me wanted it. God bless and keep you both. Sincerely, Edie Blunser. So again, I will, if you're interested in her artwork, I will make sure that you guys get in touch. So thank you, Art Lady Blunser. I will find a prominent place in my display for the coin, but somewhere it won't run off with little sticky fingers. And I also got an envelope from Anna Marie D'Agostino, who won one of my recent giveaways. Honestly, I can't remember, was that last? I don't know. It's one of them. They kind of all blur together in my mind. But we have, oh my gosh, look at that, a cute little doggy. Is that a Frenchie? I'm not sure. I have a Frenchie. It looks like a Frenchie, kind of. Frenchies in Boston kind of look similar. Anyway, just a thank you. It says, thanks again for the Haunted Village. Oh, she's the Haunted Village winner. I'm so glad it was redelivered. So yeah, that one for some reason got misdelivered and UPS delivered it months later. So she hadn't even let me know that it didn't arrive. So if you do win a prize and you don't get it, let me know. You know, stuff happens. We'll make it work. Anyway, guess it was nothing they wanted, being the stuff inside the box, because I guess somebody had actually opened the box, decided they didn't want it, and got UPS to redeliver it. If you guys are even in the New Hope area, let me know and stop in. Again, a very big thank you from a grateful heart. How cute is that? So, thank you. It's always nice to get mail, especially dog related. But now, I guess, is the time you've all been waiting for. So without further ado, let me put my computer away on the floor. Replace it with this box. We got a fun long box today, so let's fill it up with stuff that you could win if you win this month's giveaway. Now, first of all, if you're a patron, you are going to be automatically entered into the giveaways. That's something new for patrons. It's not even a stated benefit, but my patrons get bonus entries into the drawings. But from here on out, I'm just going to automatically enter you as well, so you won't even have to answer the question that I'm going to ask you here toward the end of the video. But anyway, so let's fill it up. Starting with this fun little skeleton in the closet board game. I have not opened this, which is kind of a shame, but I got it on one of my haul videos, and it can be yours now, because it's the, when am I ever going to be able to get rid of this if I don't have a box this size? So, also, I'm going to give you this set of Eerie Descents lighting set, Haunted Hedges, the blinking eyeballs. I have a small set of these that I actually did not buy at the Goodwill, believe it or not. I bought it, I don't know, somewhere, full price, and I love it. It was one of the first things I bought, and I've used it every year. They're wonderful. These things just are indestructible. So I am going to give you this set. I believe we tested it when I did the haul on this. I don't know if there's anything else in this box. I haven't checked. If there is, it's a bonus. All right. What else am I going to give you? This is kind of cute. It is a skeleton puzzle. And you can see it is just this skeleton with a pumpkin and a banner that says Halloween. It's a little wood puzzle. You break it out and you assemble it. It comes in 2 sheets. Let's see, how old do you need? It's for people 6+. And these things are always a challenge for me. So what else? If you're into the cutesy, you're going to get 2 little figures of bears with pumpkins. They kind of make a nice little set. Obviously, they go together. A little man. I guess this is a man. He's got a little pink ribbon, though. And woman. So, anyway, put them in. Let's see. We'll add this Comfort Grip cookie cutter. That is a ghost. It's actually quite substantial. It's nice. I thought I'd use it, but I know I'm never going to, so I'll just give it away. Also going to give you this set of Trick or Treat garland. Throw it in the box. A little ghoul that hangs. I actually used these in my glass urns and just kind of like make the arms go out. And anyway, they're fun. So I never got around to using this one. It can be yours if the price is right. I used to love The Price is Right. Would watch it all the time when I was a kid. All right, and then lastly, I guess we will fill out the box with a few different Halloween bags. 3 of these clearly are like from the same vendor. I don't know where they came from. I got them in a giant bag haul, and then this one is actually kind of glittery, so you know that'll get all over everything in this box, and then all over your house. And then you'll remember me for the rest of your life. But here is the Happy Halloween Snoopy bag. And that kind of fills up the box. So we're going to call that it. I might throw another surprise or 2 in there if I can, but don't count on that. So there we go. Now, how are you going to win this fabulous box of Halloween goodies? First of all, you need to let me know in the comments below that you're entering and answer my question. Now, I guess since I got some artwork in the mail today, or recently, from Art Lady Blunser. Make sure you let me know what kind of art do you like, or who is your favorite artist? We'll say that. Dead, alive. I was talking about, you know, like painters or sculptors or stuff, but I guess musicians, whatever. Who's your favorite artist? And that'll let me know that you're entered, and we will do a live drawing. Now, I'm not going to be around next week. I'm going to be traveling, and I'm going to have a hard time getting to a camera, so you might not see some videos too much next week, but we will be back the next week with a vengeance, and that is when we'll do our live drawing, probably on the Wednesday, the 21st, 9 p.m. Eastern, as usual. We're going to do it live. You don't have to be here or online to win, but it's a lot more fun if you do, because we like to do this live elimination with a clue game, and everyone gets assigned to a character, and we just kill you off one by one until one person survives and wins our fabulous Halloween haul. And that'll do it then, I guess. So make sure, again, you leave me a comment below, and stay tuned. If you don't like this haul, there'll be another one, or this giveaway, there'll be another one next month. And one last thank you to all my Patreon patrons. I really appreciate your support. And thank you all again for watching. Be sure that you hit that like button, share the video, and all that stuff. It really helps the channel as well. That'll do it. Thank you all again for watching. Take care. Happy hunting.